Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I am a classically trained pastry chef, and all the recipes on my site are ones that I have developed over years in my bakery. Today, we are going to be making SunButter cookies. SunButter cookies are like peanut butter cookies, but they're made with sunflower seed butter instead. They're soft in the center, a little crunchy on the outside, and have a rich, nutty flavor. I use the SunButter original brand, which I picked this up at Walmart. So let's get started. Start by combining the dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Set this aside for later. Using a stand mixer with the paddle attachment, begin mixing together 3/4 cup of unsalted and softened butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix together on medium speed until light and fluffy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 2 large eggs that are at room temperature. Mix on medium speed until everything is well combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed to make sure the mixture is well blended. Add 1 cup of SunButter to the mixing bowl. Mix this on medium speed until well combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Add the flour mixture and mix on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix or the cookies could turn out tough. Finally, add in 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips and 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds and mix briefly. After mixing, place the dough in your refrigerator for 30 minutes to let it firm up and allow the flavors to blend. After the dough is chilled, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop approximately 1 1/2 tablespoons of dough per cookie and place on prepared sheet pans. Leave at least 2 inches of space between each cookie to allow for spreading. Dip a dinner fork in flour, then gently press it on each cookie to lightly flatten the top. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until tops and edges of cookies are browning. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.